A night on the town, unpacking the meaning of night out. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where language learning becomes easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as common as it is intriguing: night out. Stick around to learn about its meaning, usage, and to hear some examples that will help you sound like a native speaker in no time. At its core, night out refers to an evening spent outside of your home, typically enjoying leisure activities. It's when you take a break from your daily routine to indulge in socializing, entertainment, or dining at various venues like restaurants, cinemas, or clubs. But there's more to this phrase than meets the eye. Let's dissect it. The word night implies the time of the event, and out suggests an activity that takes place outside your usual environment. Combined, they paint a picture of a voluntary and enjoyable escape from the mundane. This phrase is incredibly versatile. You might plan a night out with friends, a significant other, or even colleagues. It can be a casual affair or something more elaborate and special. The key is the intent to have a good time and create memories. In many cultures, a night out is a way to de-stress and unwind. It's also a reflection of one's social life and can be a barometer of sorts for work-life balance. Understanding this can add depth to your conversations with native speakers. Let's put it into context with some examples. After a long week of work, I'm looking forward to a night out with my friends. They celebrated their anniversary with a romantic night out at a fancy restaurant. How about a night out at the movies? I heard there's a new blockbuster playing. We hope this video illuminates the phrase night out for you and that you're now equipped to use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is like having a night out with your brain. It's all about the fun and adventure. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next linguistic journey. Happy learning, and don't forget to plan your own night out soon.